Alright, welcome back ladies and gentlemen to the Chupacabra Tutorials channel. I'm your host Larry, and today I'm going to show you where you can find the 2 blueprints for the time of day display inside of your habitat. Because this is basically the only way that you really have of telling what time it is outside of just staring out the window. And it can be very difficult to tell how much time you have left in the nighttime unless you're timing it on your clock. So to find the day-nighttime display, we're going to be hanging out front of the research outpost here. And this is the alien ruins marker about 1,300 meters directly to the east of the life pod. And the first place we're going to go is to the southwest, and, well, it's kind of more to the south than southwest. So we're going to go to the south, and we're going to go to this alien marker here that is the aliens trying to communicate with the architects from the previous games. And here, inside of this mess of stuff, is the first fragment of the day-nighttime sensor. So time of day display is right here. You can give this bad boy a scan for the first half of the blueprint. Now the next half, we're actually going to go directly down to the east here, to this big mess of broken stuff on top of this pillar. And in this rigmarole, just be careful because these bad boys like to shoot you. You'll find the next blueprint right down here on the ground before you even go inside of the caves here. You can kind of position your ship so it blocks them shooting you, and you can find this daytime sensor right here. Once you've got that bad boy unlocked, you'll be able to put it, I think it's in the interior facilities here. Down at the bottom, it takes 1 enameled glass, 1 copper, and 1 titanium to build, and it takes 1 tick of energy per second in order to power it. And it will accurately display on your wall what time of day it is by the position of the sun. It'll tell you if it's dawn, dusk, or night, or day. And it's a pretty good and handy tool to figure out if you should go exploring or if you should tinker around with stuff around your base before you go outside. So that'd be it for this one, ladies and gentlemen. This has been where you get the time of day display blueprint. I hope you found this helpful, and I'll catch you next time. Bye, everybody, and have a good one.